what's the next target of Qcoin? Can they can hit it 15 US dollar? And what's my prediction to Qcoin as Q token as moving up in upcoming days, or they gone down? My friends, Qcoin token as very badly fell down, and everybody tell me to please tell us to what's your prediction, and they got up what you tell about Qcoin. So I tell you everything in this video. I have 3 year experience crypto market, a master. This time let's start the price prediction of Qcoin. I do practically, but I request you to please keep touch with us. Click the subscribe button, and you are also at our family. Welcome to our family. Please subscribe, click the red button, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. This is very important. My friends, if we check out the last 7 days result, exactly Qcoin token is moving up like a rocket. Absolutely moving very highly fast up. Go like a rocket, my friend. I think a lot of people tell us to them we are ready for the moon, we are going in the moon. But after this jump, they take fails down, my friend, again. And everybody cannot expect this from Qcoin token to they fails down. Oh my goodness, very bad fall, my friend. Okay, let's get start the prediction, my friend. And the last let's check out in the last 7 days of prediction. Absolutely very important. This is the measure of point. You can see here, oh my goodness, they are fails down. You can see here, but after this fail, this is very largest fails, my friend. And after this fails, they again fails down, my friend. If you can see here, we touch the both highest and lowest targets. You can see here that with their touch, my friends. If we check out this time, they gone up very badly fast. This time you can see here after this point, they fails down minus 32.31%. Oh my god, very bad change occur, my friend, this time. And they fails down. You can see here this is the circulation and every cryptocurrency. They fails down from this point, and April you can see here, and April I think 17, yes, absolutely 18, sorry. This time you can see here they fails very badly down, my friend. And you can see here this time the latest price is 18.88 US dollar, because this time you can see here this is very high price. You can see here this is highest point, but after this point they cannot touch the third line, they cannot touch second line, they cannot touch second line. But this is the price is also decreased, the come to 16 US dollar. Price is come to 16 US dollar. But after this jump, they also take a very bad falls. So Qcoin token as very badly falls down, my friend. But if we check out the last 1 hour result to what's going on in the last 1 hour, then we understand do they go up in upcoming days or they gone down, my friend. If we check out the last 1 hour, exactly they fails down, my friend. If you can see here, they take a small jump, but after this jump they also fails down, my friend. In last 1 hour, exactly this is very bad result. I think in upcoming days they gone down. I clearly told you, I cannot say you this because today got up in upcoming days. This is not a fake news. Absolutely, this is reality, which I show you the practical and the chart. You can see here the price is also decreased now. So you can see here they are in the loss. If you invest in this time, then exactly you are totally in the loss, my friend. So please don't invest anymore. And if you are any every this time invested every so please don't sell it. Hold it, and be safe from more loss. Please hold it. I hope in upcoming days if they're moving up, then they give you very good profit. Exactly, because Qcoin token is one of the fastest token, my friends. They're moving up, when they starting moving up, they go like a rocket. So please hold it, and wait for a good time and then sell it. They give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, Qcoin token holder. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Only 4% people subscribe us. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.